Now, back stateside, the president's immigration crackdown taking center stage in a Chicago courtroom. A federal judge now demanding that Customs and Border Patrol Chief Greg Bovino will meet with her every day to report immigration activities there in the Windy City. That's as tensions grow over the use of tear gas by federal agents carrying out immigration enforcement in the area. Justice Department reporter Luke Barr joins me now. So, Luke, daily in-person meetings with a federal judge. Break down this ruling for us.
Well, Kira, this is certainly something that the judge wants oversight on. Commander Greg Bovino, who's in charge of those operations in Los Angeles, in Portland, and of course in Chicago, is going to be required to meet with her every day at 6 p.m. to go over the immigration enforcement actions of the day. She said, quote, "My role is simply to see that in the enforcement of those laws that you and your agents operating under, that you are acting in a manner that is consistent with your obligations under law," meaning that it is consistent with the Constitution. That's from our reporter Jim Hill in court. And Bovino sat for almost an hour on the stand listening to the judge go over the temporary restraining order she put in place, basically restricting the use of tear gas in some cases against journalists, against the protesters that are out there protesting these CBP operations. But DHS and Bovino have contended that they need to use them because they're under attack. Now, Judge Ellis said a hearing for next month, but she also said that Bovino needs to have a body-worn camera on him by Friday, as well as turn over any use of force or any incident reports in any body-worn camera that agents may wear, Kira.
So we reported last night that there could be a shakeup in the ranks of ICE. Do you have any more details for us?
Well, Kira, as many as 12 field office directors, meaning the people in charge of running these field offices, of getting that goal, the administration goal of 3,000 arrests per day, could be out. Now, this is significant because they're going to replace, or they're considering replacing, these men and women of ICE with Border Patrol agents. Now, the tactics of Border Patrol agents and the tactics of ICE are very different. They have different missions. They're looking to ICE does targeted enforcement. Border Patrol, of course, does those random stops. Now, Kira, this has all been spearheaded by DHS Secretary Kristi Noem, Corey Lewandowski, who's a senior advisor, and Bovino, who we just mentioned. And last night, Tricia McLaughlin, the spokesperson for DHS, said they have no personnel updates, but it's something that we'll be looking at.
All right, we will too. Luke Barr, thank you.